So today we are starting with the program of the binary file, right? I will be entering the records of employee in the binary file emp.dat, right? Writing and reading the data. Writing and reading the data. So first of all, I will be taking the import pickle module. I'll be taking pickle module because when we are to work in the binary file, we are to use the dump and the load function. Dump function used to write in the binary file, and load function is used to read the data from the file. Okay, clear? So I am taking here emp empty dictionary. I am taking empty dictionary, right? The sequence that I have taken to enter the records in the binary file is dictionary, but it is not any hard and fast rule that you can only take dictionary. You can create list also. The question which I sent you yesterday, the practice question which I sent you yesterday, that was related to record of binary file created via list, right? So I am opening the binary file. I'm giving the name emp.dat, emp1.dat, and I'm opening the file in WB, that is the write in binary file mode, right? Write in binary file mode. Clear? I'm taking one answer variable, and the answer variable I have initialized to y in the lowercase, right? Because I want to insert multiple number of records as per the user choice. Till the user press Y, it will keep on asking you about the record. The moment you press any key except Y, the loop will stop. Please maintain distance. Go there. Either you can come here. Either come one bench in front, either shift there, beta. So let us start the loop. Either your Y is in uppercase, either your Y is in lowercase, right? My first variable or the first value, the first key value pair, that will be E code. ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट आप साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस करो. Enter the E code, E name, enter the E name, E salary, enter the salary. So all the three necessary fields I have inputted. I have taken the input from the user, right? Offline class, am I clear? Offline student sitting in the class, am I clear? So now I'm going to put this data into dictionary. emp E code equal to E code, emp E name equal to E name, emp E salary equal to E salary, right? Am I clear up till here? Am I clear up till here? So now, using the pickle module and the dump function, what you will do, you will store the data inputted from the user. You created the object dictionary and you transfer the data to the binary file. Right? Am I clear up till here? Offline class? Online, am I clear? Om, Khushi, Mago, Avneet. Am I clear up till here? Now you ask the user, want to enter more records, right? And accordingly, you close the link. Accordingly, you close the link. So let me save the file. Let us see the output. Enter E code 101. Enter name Aditya. Enter salary 45,000. See here, please see the output first. Want to enter more record? Yes, I want to enter more record. Again, asking for the E code. Name, I am giving Ashish. Salary 60,000. Want to enter more record? No. The moment I say no, the cursor stops. Am I clear with the right function? Online class, am I clear with the output? Two records I have inserted in the binary file, employee1.dat. You can note down in your notebook the records that we have inputted, so that when we will doing the search function, you people can get more clarity for that. Now, this was the right function to write the records in the binary file. Now I'll be creating the program for reading the record from the binary file, right? Let us now make the code for reading the data from the binary file. Now here I'll be changing the mode RB. I have changed the mode RB. Why I have changed the mode RB? Because I want to read the data from the binary file. I want to read the data from the binary file. So in order to read data, I'll be taking the mode RB, read from binary. Okay. So here I am going to take try block. I'll be reading the data using try and except block. Try and except block means during your execution, if any exception arises, that can be handled by the exception block. When you are using the try except block, during the execution of the code, there may arise any exception in between, there may arise any situation that will be handled, that exceptional problem will be handled by the except block, right? So till the loop is true, while true. Clear? I am reading the record from the binary file using the load function. See here, the command to read the data from the binary file. Pickle dot load, and in the function, in the bracket of load, you pass your file handle, file object as parameter. When you are using the load function, you are passing the file object as parameter. Now you are reading the record from the file. Now you are reading the records from the file, right? And you are storing the record in your sequence. And what sequence you have taken? Dictionary, right? As and when you are reading the record, side by side you are printing the record. Side by side you are printing the records. Am I clear up till here? Now let us go with the exception block. Now, while reading the records, if any exception arises, suppose you are searching for a record. If your record is not available, the desired record that you want to find is not available in your binary file, so that problem will be handled by the except block, that record doesn't found successfully. We are to print the message record doesn't found successfully. Now, since I am just reading the records, I am not right now doing any searching, so I just write pass. Pass is also a keyword in Python, which means doing nothing. Just pass it. Nothing to be done. Just pass the statement. Just pass it. And finally, I close my link of the object. Clear? See, the two records have been shown here. See the output. Online class, am I clear? Have you seen the output? Two records I save in the binary file. The same two records have been read by the load function of pickle module. So writing and reading both are clear to you now. How to write data in the binary file and how to read data from the binary file. Am I clear up till here? Yashdeep, Fiza, Garima, Kirat, Neeti, Mihir, Mayank, Manav, Karthik, Sadhav, Ekam Jyot. Okay. Now in the same code, I will be going with the searching operation. My criteria for search is, I want to search for record of those employees whose salary is less than 60,000. I want to search for the record of those employees whose salary is less than 60,000. Clear? So when you are reading the records, beta, first of all, you see the LCD. All the offline students see the LCD first. Learn how to create conditions for searching. Beta, relational operators of Python will help you in making the conditions for search. Am I clear? When you are reading the records, I am taking one more variable here, found, and I am giving the initial value false. Write condition here. If EMP salary, the key is salary. If the value of this key is less than 60,000, then print the records. Print that record. Okay? And if your record is found, to initialize found as true. What is the initial value of the found variable? The initial value of the found variable is false. But when my record has been found, the found variable has been updated by true. मेरा रिकॉर्ड मिल गया मुझे, तो फाउंड वेरिएबल ट्रू हो गया. Right? Am I clear up till here? Now in the except block, what if any exception arises? Your record is not there. If found equal to false, अगर पूरे सर्चिंग में एक बार भी आपका रिकॉर्ड नहीं मिल रहा, you are searching the entire file, but throughout the file you didn't find any single record that matches your criteria, what to be done in that case? In that case, one thing is sure, found will be never true. You agree with me offline? Online, you agree with me? When throughout the records, your desired record is not found, found variable will never be true. What will be the value of found then? False. जो मैंने यहां इनिशियलाइज किया था बेटा, वो ही रह जाएगा. तो वो मैंने एक्सेप्शन में हैंडल करवा लिया. फिर कि अगर कोई ऐसी एक्सेप्शन आती है कि रिकॉर्ड मिलता ही नहीं है तो क्या करे? रिकॉर्ड मिल गया तो फाउंड ट्रू हो गया, रिकॉर्ड प्रिंट करवा दिया. But what will happen if record is not found? If such exception arises, what we will do? In that case, I enter the except block and I say, if your record is not found, so you display the message, record not found. Else we say, record found successfully. Am I clear? Am I clear with the code? Any doubt, any queries? See, there was one record with the name Aditya, whose salary was 45,000, and as per the given criteria, my record satisfies the condition that salary of Aditya is less than 60,000. Right? So the record found successfully. Clear? Now I display one output where condition doesn't match. Right? Let us say 30,000. Display the record of those employees whose salary is less than 30,000. So what we'll do in that case? Record not found. Exception आ गई ना? Exception arise हो गई. कोई ऐसा रिकॉर्ड था ही नहीं जो उस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करे. So according to my logic, exception arises, which is handled by the except block. Try and accept. They are keywords also. Pass is also a keyword. Right? Am I clear with the binary file? Reading, searching, and writing the records? Online class, am I clear with all the three programs? Om, Khushi, Avneet, Taranjeet, Gagan, Jasman, Nikhil. So am I clear with all the three codes? Now I want to discuss the question of the sample paper which I sent you yesterday. What was the question? The question was that you have a file with the name store.dat. You have a file. There is a file with the name store.dat. In that file, you have the fields, item code, item name, supplier, and quantity. These are the four fields. And let me make you clear. The sequence that is given in the sample paper is not dictionary. It is list. It is list. If you have carefully observed the question, in the beginning of question only, the field name are written inside the square brackets. If anybody among you have read the question, you might have carefully observed it that the sequence which is given in the top line of the question, that is list. They are not giving in the key value pair of a dictionary. You got my point? So how to create binary file via list? For this, I tell you one point. I just turn the view of the camera towards the all right. What actually we do when we take binary file via list? I told you I have a S file, S list, in which I have these elements. I have these elements, right? Now, as per the record, the function was you enter any supplier name. आप किसी भी सप्लायर का नाम एंटर करो, उस सप्लायर ने कितनी क्वांटिटी परचेज की है वो प्रिंट होके आ जाए. Means you are to pass the supplier name as parameter to the function. In the list case, what we do? We assume it to be the 0th record. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Right? When I was doing dictionary, what I did? EMP equal to pickle, load, read the record, transfer to the dictionary. If the key of the dictionary is less than this condition, like this I do. What to do in the case of list? What to do in the case of list? The name of my list is, say, S. Right? I say सप्लायर का नाम पैरामीटर पास करो और जो क्वांटिटी उसकी है वो रिटर्न हो जाए. So I assume small s is my desired supplier name. Small s is my desired supplier name. What is the index of supplier in the list? 2. If my desired supplier name is equal to S of 2. S of 2. Clear? Online class, am I clear? Okay. So what to be returned? What is to be returned? Quantity. What is the index of quantity? Free. Return. How many got this concept in the mind? When you are reading the record, from the list, how to print the record? ये तो हम रिटर्न करवा रहे हैं. अब मान लो रिटर्न नहीं करवाना, मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आप सप्लायर का नाम एंटर करो. अगर वो सप्लायर एग्जिस्ट करता है तो उसका आइटम कोड और आइटम नेम प्रिंट करवाओ. मैंने सिलेक्टेड फील्ड प्रिंट करवाने को बोला है, मैंने पूरा रिकॉर्ड नहीं बोला प्रिंट करवाने के लिए. आई से एंटर द सप्लायर नेम if that record exists. So what you do, if that record exists, so print item code and item name for that. So what you will do here then, what change will come? Print S of 0, S of 1 and separate them by comma. What is S of 0? Item code. What is S of 1? Item. जितने आपको फील्ड दिए होंगे ना उतनी इंडेक्सिंग कर लेना. तो जो जो प्रिंट करवाना है उस हिसाब से उसका इंडेक्स बनाते जाना. बस ये चेंज होता है लिस्ट के प्रोग्राम में. Offline class, am I clear? Offline class, am I totally clear? Any queries from your side? Now same I am going to represent this via program. Is the Python window visible to you people? Avneet, Gagan, Jasman? Is the Python window visible, beta? Okay, fine. So I have taken a list, empty list store, and let us open the file store.dat, and I open the file in write mode because I want to write the records, right? Answer equal to y till your answer variable is y or answer variable is uppercase Y. You start entering the records from the user. My I code represents item code. I name represents item name. Right? Then I have supplier. Again, string type. So I say enter the supplier. And last is quantity. I take it of type integer. राइट? ये तो आपने यूजर से रिकॉर्ड ले लिया, सेम जैसे डिक्शनरी में किया है. अभी तक हम सेम चल रहे हैं. अब चेंज क्या आएगा? अब इसको लिस्ट में डालना है. लिस्ट का नाम क्या है? स्टोर, इक्वल टू स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, whatever field you have taken, start putting them in the list. Right? And using the pickle dot dump function, you transfer your record from the list to your binary file S. And if you want to input more records, that you can ask, and finally you close your link. Am I clear? Enter the code 111. Enter the item name rice, supplier name ABC, quantity 200. Want to enter more record? Yes. Enter code 112. Enter item name biscuits. Oh, I enter in. Right? Supplier PQR, quantity 300. Want to enter more record? Yes. Enter code 103. Let the symmetry continues. Enter item name shampoo, supplier XYZ, quantity 400. No, I don't want to enter more record. लिस्ट के रिकॉर्ड आपकी बाइनरी फाइल में स्टोर हो गए. Got it? Online class, you got it or not? Good.